Hey, so I got the Dulce Gusto a while ago, and it is, of course, as you see, by Nescafe, and I'm going to go ahead and make this latte mochaccino right here. So there's little capsules on here. See, one is white, and this is the cream, and then the black one is the coffee. Here's the machine here. This is the Piccolo. There's a water reservoir back here. You just fill it up, plug it in. When you first do it, the light, see what it does it. I don't know if you caught that, but it was barely red. But it'll flash red. And then once it's green, you know you're good to go. So you do the white one first. And the instructions are always on, as you saw, I just lifted that up. Let me see, caught that. Just lift that up. That slides out. Alright? So the instructions are always on the box. So it says 5.8 ounces of cream, and as you see, it's just a little bit full. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 areas full, so 5 parts cream, 2 parts coffee, basically. And I have the cup that they use in the picture. If you buy, I think I had to get 10 of these boxes to get this cup. Is what I had to do. So I've had quite a few of the boxes. I have tea, I have coffee, I have, that's it, cold and hot tea. So this makes a lot of different things. So we'll go ahead and do this. Right here you can see blue means cold, red means hot. Pretty simple. You just turn it that way. You see it just starts to come out. It's a little hole. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out of here. You can kind of tell when it's ready. I can always see when the cream gets a little watery, and that's when I stop it. I love cream. See, it's getting a little watery. I don't know if you caught that or not. And you just lift up. Smells so good. I wish I had smell-o-vision so you could smell this. And then you put in the black one. It fills down, and you do hot again. You can see the coffee filling in there. End of that. I also like it really sweet, so look how pretty it is. I'm also going to add in some cream. Sorry, I'm seeing this. Okay, so I have just some Coffee House. This is International Delight. This is white chocolate mocha. See if I can open this with one hand. I doubt it. Okay, just pour that in. I love the extra cream. Alright, so there you have it, and that's it.